Topic 13. Pollution. Pollution is the addition of any substance, solid, liquid, or gas, or any form of energy, such as heat, sound, or radioactivity, to the environment at a rate faster than it can be dispersed, diluted, decomposed, recycled, or stored in some harmless form. We're going to see two kinds of pollution. The ones classified by the environment it affects, and the ones classified by the types of pollutants. Let's see first the pollution classified by the environment it affects. For example, we have air pollution. It is caused by the burning of fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and gas. Water pollution. It is affected by the dumping of industrial waste, by rising temperatures which alter the water by reducing the oxygen in it. And finally, soil pollution. It is commonly caused by the implementation of harmful agricultural technology. Pollution classified by the types of pollutants. Here we have noise pollution. It is caused by human activities such as traffic, industries, airplanes, ships, among others, that produce negative effects on the hearing, physical, and mental health of living beings. Light pollution. It is the presence of artificial light in the night environment. As a major side effect of urbanization, it is blamed for compromising health, disrupting ecosystems, and spoiling aesthetic environments. Plastic pollution, finally, it is the accumulation of plastic objects and particles, for example, plastic bottles, bags, and microbeads, in the earth environment that adversely affects wildlife habitat, and humans. We're going to see a glossary now. For example, the definition of ozone layer. It is a deep layer in the stratosphere encircling the Earth that has large amounts of ozone in it. Ecosystems is a system or a group of interconnected elements formed by the interaction of a community of organisms with their environment. Toxic substances. They are chemicals that will cause harm to human health when they enter the body through inhalation, skin absorption, or ingestion. Restore means to cause a particular situation to exist again, especially a positive one. Noise is a sound, especially one that is loud or unpleasant or that causes disturbance. Now we are here in the grammar section. We are going to see the use of should and shouldn't. This is a modal verb, an auxiliary. We use should and shouldn't to give advice or to talk about what we think is right or wrong. For example, you look tired, you should go to bed. Let's see the structure of affirmative and negative sentences using should and shouldn't. First, we're going to find the subject. It could be a pronoun or a noun, then the words should or shouldn't, and then the verb. For example, they should protect nature. You shouldn't ride a bike without a helmet. Mike shouldn't smoke. People should use solar energy. The structures of questions and short answers is: for questions, should, it goes first, and then the subject could be a noun or pronoun, and then the verb, and any complements at the end of the question. The short answers are going to be yes or no, then the pronoun, then the words should or shouldn't. For example, should they have an electric car? Yes, they should, or no, they shouldn't. Should you drink more water? Yes, I should. No, I shouldn't. Now let's practice grammar. This is a very short practice that I hope you can understand. In this case, we are going to complete these 8 sentences using should or shouldn't. Number 1 is, we shouldn't burn trees. Number 2, we should walk or ride a bike to school. 3, we shouldn't leave the tap running when we are brushing the teeth. Fourth, we should turn off the lights and the computer when we leave the room. We should recycle waste papers, bottles and cans. We shouldn't use aerosols. We should use low energy light bulbs. We shouldn't drop litter in the streets. So remember, should is for advice. Things that are good for you, you should do them. Things that are not good for you, you shouldn't do them.